Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to save with YNAB Easy Method. Start by creating 4 simple rules, then assign every dollar a job and build a 1-month buffer. Set repeating transactions for fixed bills and use categories for priorities like rent, groceries, and savings. Check your spending daily and reconcile accounts weekly. Adjust category targets monthly and move any surplus to priority goals like emergency fund or debt payoff. Open YNAB each day for 2 minutes and enter recent transactions to avoid surprises. Check your available balance per category before buying anything non-essential and move money between categories when priorities change. Set a small weekly review to reconcile your accounts and confirm scheduled payments are covered. These tiny habits keep your budget honest, reduce stress, and help you redirect extra funds toward meaningful goals like travel or emergency savings. If this video is helping you save, please subscribe and like for more practical tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab Darn Tough socks for everyday comfort and a lifetime warranty because small comforts make budget life easier. They pair perfectly with marathon budgeting sessions and long commute walks while you review categories. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use YNAB goals to set clear targets for each priority and assign money to them every month. Start with an emergency fund, then focus on high-interest debt and targeted sinking funds like car repairs or holiday gifts. Automate transfers or use scheduled transactions to ensure consistency and remove decision fatigue. Celebrate small victories by tagging completed goals, then roll funds into the next priority so progress compounds over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.